Another team that learned some other very new technologies is Roomr. And the problem that they're solving is a common one, which is you want to move to a new place and you're going to desire or need a roommate, but you don't know how to select. So they sort of took some inspiration from dating apps like Tinder and built Roomr. So I'm going to pass this off to Bryan and the team at Roomr to describe how they solved this problem.
Hi, everyone. My name's Bryan, and along with my teammates, Alexandra and Kemi, we built Roomr. Roomr is an apartment and roommate finding app inspired by Tinder. Users swipe on apartments that they like and get matched with users who also like those apartments. They can then chat through the app and see if they would be a good match as roommates. Imagine this scenario. Joey just moved to Chicago for his first job. Cody also moved to Chicago to attend Full Stack Academy. Both are looking for a roommate, but don't know anyone in the city. Since rent in Chicago is expensive, they check out the Roomr app as a solution to their problems.
Joey logs into the Roomr app to start looking for apartments. Joey scrolls through each apartment's photos to see the layout. Joey swipes right on ones he likes and left on ones he doesn't like. He's interested in the pavilion, so he presses the info icon to find out more about it. Joey sees a brief description of the apartment and its various amenities. He notices that this apartment has AC included, which is something he's looking for in an apartment. He also checks out the map and sees that it's close to work. He then decides to swipe right on it. Joey clicks on the heart icon to view his feed. In the feed, he can see his apartments on a map. Joey realizes that the apartment 2 West is too far away and expensive and clicks unlike to remove it from his feed.
Joey is most interested in Lux on Madison and wants to meet other users who love it too. He clicks on the matches button and notices Cody. He starts to chat with him to get to know him better. Cody receives a text message that Joey initiated a chat with him to discuss Lux on Madison. He checks his messages on the Roomr app and responds to Cody. Joey asks him what he's looking for in a roommate. Later, Cody realizes he could use a new profile picture. He doesn't like his default robot photo and wants to show off his new haircut. So he takes a selfie within the app to replace it. Cody loves his new photo and decides to log out from the app for the day. This is the tech stack we used for our project. We really enjoyed learning how to make a mobile app. It was a fun, challenging way because we got to apply our experience in React in a new way. Our biggest challenge was managing 2 databases to store our data. Having 2 databases was difficult because we had to decide which database would store what data and have both databases work together to render information on the render.
For example, we'll explain the process for when Cody updates his photo. The robot image he doesn't like is stored in Postgres. When he takes a picture of himself, it is sent to Firebase storage, which then uploads the photo unique to his profile and sends the Firebase URI back to Postgres. Cody's photo is now replaced in Postgres and rendered to the user's device. Now Alexandra will discuss how we handled the chat feature.
Our messages for each chat is stored in Firebase because we needed real-time updates. However, each chat room is stored in Postgres. This posed a challenge to us because in order to implement our chat feature, we had to pull data from both Firebase and Postgres. You can check out our app on GitHub through this link. Thanks so much for coming, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.
That is very cool. I think it's really awesome how they figured out ways to use 2 databases, both for their own strengths.
Yep.
And figuring out how to when the workflow and process goes from writing to one database and how one reads from the other?
Yeah, it was very deliberate the way that they decided like when to write to Firebase, when to listen for data in there versus when to use Postgres. So I think they did a fantastic job with figuring that out and figuring that out early on so that they were able to get the rest of their application built out. And they quite frankly did a really good job in making sure that their application stayed very simple and showed the data that was relevant.